creating a new location. We are now right here, and we have all we need is here in the front of the book. These are just the explanation in detail, but one thing I can explain you here, you can use your rerolls to alter the conditions of the map. At least most cases. You cannot change the map ID and the difficulty because this is defined by the spaceflight. Everything else, you can decide to alter the dice result by one or to reroll a die entirely. This is important. I show you now right here how we create it because everything we need to know you can see on this sheet entirely already. Just place my microphone here. Okay. So first we have first location. This is the first one we found. The type, we roll a d6. 3, underground. This defines the kind of the map. Let's say, yeah, why not? Underground is no bad. So, oh no, let's keep it the same as in the, make a German tutorial as well. So if we have the dungeon exploration, we keep it the same. So let's say I spent a reroll to reroll it, and we roll a, what we have had in the German version, a 5 in space. So, okay, type in space. Difficulty is defined by the spaceflight, that was 2. Not the spaceflight difficulty, the location difficulty. That's the difference. Atmosphere outside, atmosphere inside. This meaning can I breathe inside or outside? So we roll the die. 3 would meaning none. Atmosphere outside is always none. There's never breathable because it's in space. But in our case, we rolled a 6 in the let's say in the German tutorial. So we have a hell condition. It's very bad outside. And inside, I roll is hell as well. So let's say I have had 2 rerolls. I used my second reroll. Hell again. We cheating again. Let's do like I rolled a 1. So we have breathable atmosphere inside. Then the depth. This is how many maps I have. So I reroll a die. And d3 plus d6 map. So these are 8 maps until here. Teleporting range is 2d6, 2 plus 1 is 3. Lower the result by 1. Oh, that's bad. I can only teleport into the first map. Then we are out of teleporting range. This was the depth, 8, teleporting range 1. How far we can teleport inside. Yeah. Special is here 4, nothing special. As example, it can be one way, so I cannot return backwards. I have to run always forward, or the location after one visit get entirely destroyed if I have the self-destruction. And then the species. This is the primary species we most times find on this location. There are other species, of course, as well. So they are gray. This is different as in the German tutorial, but it doesn't matter. It can be different. I just want to have the same type. Okay, then the map IDs. Those map IDs are the numbers, how the maps are looking then in the dungeon exploration. We normally not check it out right now. We just roll for the first map where the exploration is starting. So number 1 is a d20, number 7. So we're going to the maps. We have the in space, the space station, in space. Number, what was 17? So this is our first map. We're landing right here. Here we're going to enter the spaceship. And after I'm leaving this map, I roll another time for the second map, would be 11 now, this kind. And so we can already roll at the beginning, but if you now maybe already after often playing which number is which map, it's more surprising if you roll the die if you're entering the map, so you never know what happens. And if you roll twice the same number, let's say you're entering this map, 11, and after that you're entering 11 again, it's a new map. It's just the same blueprint, but you have the enemies again. The treasures are not empty. It's like a new map, just the blueprint is the same. That can happen. Okay, so the map, the location is entirely defined. We know how depth, the teleporting range, the enemy type, The map numbers, the map IDs, as we call them, we roll out during the dungeon exploration. Yeah, that's already the definition of the location.